Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to set up Canon i-SENSYS LBP673Cdw for printing from your iPhone. Let's get into it. First, you need to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. To do this, stay on the home screen and use the navigation arrows to select Menu, press OK. Now go to Preferences, switch to Network, press OK. And first of all, enable wireless connection. So in the network menu, select the first option, switch to wireless, press OK. It's configuring settings. Now settings applied, press OK. Press the back arrow to go to the previous menu. And now switch to wireless LAN settings. Now it's searching for Wi-Fi networks nearby. You need to select your Wi-Fi network from this list. If you don't see it on the top, once again use the navigation arrows. So connect to the network. This printer can connect to 2.4 GHz networks only, so select it. On the next screen you have to enter your Wi-Fi password. To switch between capital and small letters, go to entry mode. You can select capital, small letters or digits, go back, or press OK to apply your changes. And also you can switch to symbols and enter symbols. Now let's enter the password. You need to use this numeric keyboard, just like on old cell phones. So enter your password, press the right arrow to switch to the next letter, and press this C button for backspace, like this. So enter your password. And once you're done, just select Apply, press OK, switch to Yes. Do you want to connect using new settings? Yes, OK, and it's connecting. Now the printer is connected and you can continue on your smartphone. Actually, you're all set already. You don't have to install any additional software on your iPhone. You just can start printing right away, and you can print from any applications that allows to do it. For example, you want to print from your files. Let's say documents, select a document you wish to print, open it, tap on the share icon, tap on print. Make sure your printer is selected in this drop-down. If you can't detect your printer, make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. You can connect to 5 GHz band or to 2.4 GHz band. The point is to be connected to the same Wi-Fi router. So close your Wi-Fi settings, select your printer, go back to options, select your printer, go back to options, and now you can select printing presets installed in this printer. Set how many copies do you wish to print, how many pages of this document do you wish to print, all of them or just certain range. By the way, you can select or deselect pages in this bottom pane. Go back to options. Print in color or grayscale, double-sided printing. This printer can print on both sides automatically. Set your paper size if it's not set automatically. Go to media and quality. Select where to take paper from. Select media type. Or just stay on auto select mode. Select your layout. You can print up to 16 pages per sheet, like this. You can see this preview right now. What else? And that's it. Once you're done, just tap on print and your document will be printed like this, like on your preview. And that's that's how it works. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.